Hi everyone, in today's video I want to guide you on how to uninstall Copilot from Windows 11. Copilot is an AI from Microsoft and it's readily available on every aspect of Microsoft. Copilot is available as an app on the device. If you come to this place, just type in Copilot. You're going to have it as app on this device. It's also available on Microsoft 365 if you have a subscription. It's also available on Microsoft Edge. Here is the Copilot. So it's available as Microsoft and it's also available as app on this. So there are different ways you have Copilot on this laptop and somehow it's annoyed. So if you really want to do away from this, I'll guide you on how to remove them one after the other so that you're not able to have it again. And if you want to use it again, then I will also give you a tip on how to access this app again on your device. So let's move on. The first thing you have to do, guys, is to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like and drop your comment in the comment section. So come back to this place, right click on the start icon here, go and click on settings. It comes out like this. Then go to the apps button here, click on it. When you get to app, click on installed apps. Once you click on that button, then wait a few seconds for this page to load up. Now scroll down until you have access to the Copilot on your device. Here is Copilot. Now to uninstall this, click on this three dots, click on install button. This will take away Copilot from your device, and as take it away, guys, you're going to see that the Copilot will not be available again on the taskbar. Now let's go ahead and remove that of Microsoft 365 as well. It's very simple. Come to this search bar, type in settings, click on the settings icon. As well, come to this apps, click on this app, then click on installed app. Once you click on installed app, just wait a few seconds. You can scroll down to the base of this place until you have access to Copilot again. Let's keep scrolling. Here you have Microsoft 365 Copilot here. So click on this three dot again, click on uninstall, click on uninstall again, and wait for this to be fully removed from your device. In less than 1 minute, that will be taken away from your device, and once it has been taken away from your device, it's not going to come up here again on the taskbar. That has been removed. Now the next one is to open the Edge browser. You're going to have access to the Copilot here. Now to remove this Copilot on your Edge browser is very simple. Launch your Edge browser on your device, click on these three dots, scroll down until you have access to the settings option on this browser, click on it. Now at this Edge, locate and click on Copilot and AI, click on it. Once you click on Copilot and AI, then scroll down, you have Copilot and AI. Then you see that it will sign before you can use it. Now Copilot in Edge, that is what we are dealing with. Now there are two buttons here that you need to turn off, very important. The first one is show Copilot in button toolbar. Click on this button. It's going to disable it from this place. You can see it. It's going to disable it from this place. So click on it. Now Copilot new tab. If you click on it, Copilot is going to open with this new tab, and that is not what we want. We want to eradicate Copilot completely on this. Now click on this button. So Copilot will not access your new tab again on this device. So with these three settings, we'll be able to remove Copilot on your device. And now I said I'll give you a tip in case you want to use Copilot again on your device. Here is how you can install it. Come to this place, type in Microsoft Store. Then you're going to have a lot of Copilot here. This is Copilot, the apps. This is for 360. Just click on it and click on install. Repeat this for other you've uninstalled, and that's all, guys. With this, you've been able to uninstall Copilot completely from your device. So if you enjoy what I've explained in this video and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and don't forget to like, share. See you guys on our next video.